this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Porsche dealers in Pinewood. We're going to talk about what must be done to buy a Porsche. 1. Search for Porsche dealers in your area, then search for dealers which have lots of parking and easy access. 2. Read reviews of the Porsche dealers in Pinewood from people who have bought a car there before. 3. Have a look at reviews of the Porsche dealers in Pinewood on Yelp or Google. 4. Glance at the Porsche dealership's inventory, to see what they offer and how many cars are currently on their lot. 5. Get in touch with the dealer and ask them about their policies, auto financing options, warranty protection. The Porsche dealer needs to be somebody who knows what he or she is talking about and can satisfy your questions without making you feel intimidated. 6. What is the budget? The more money you would spend on a car like, the better quality of car you'll be able to find, but if cost is an issue for you, do not delay, ask around. Follow the link in the description to talk to a Porsche dealers in Pinewood. Thanks for viewing this video.